At Central Texas College, our mission is to provide accessible, equitable, and quality educational opportunities that promote student success, completion, and employability. At this time, we are excited about the dedication of the new science lab here in Marble Falls. This is an initial investment signifying our commitment to providing opportunities for students to learn in state-of-the-art classrooms and on state-of-the-art equipment.
I am a pre-nursing major. I used to work for Central Texas College, and I have gotten the pleasure to see it grow. I think the biggest thing that became so surreal is that when they were putting up the pictures of all of the nurses, like the pictures of the nursing, the paramedics and stuff, that touched my heart today here during the ceremony. Now to see it come to fruition is like, it's like a dream come true.
Central Texas College has been spending time out in the community, looking at the data, listening to the stakeholders about what's needed. And the one thing we heard loud and clear is that healthcare training is desperately needed in the area. If someone wants to go into a healthcare career, they can get the hands-on in-person courses that they need. We're trying to create hubs in our service area, the 10,000 square miles, where any of our service area residents are within 45 minutes or less of a training facility for healthcare.
We are committed to the economic mobility of our students. We are committed to the economic development and workforce development efforts here in this area. So as we prepare our students to enter the workforce or for academic transfer, we are saying to them, welcome to what's next.